Hi, it's Daniel Ramey with Circo Innovations. Today is episode 3 of What Can We Make with This Cart? Let's get into it. Our power is out here in Northern California due to a heavy snowstorm. We all know it's not safe to run your generator next to your house where the hot exhaust can start a fire. We're using this PVC design so we can safely run our generator away from the structure, as well as keeping it dry and out of the weather. If you would like to make this cart, go to our YouTube channel, go to the video, PVC Utility Cart, episode 1. That video will give you a parts list and a full how-to to build this cart. If you want to see more videos like this, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.